Hi amigas, let's make arroz con leche, the beverage. So we're going to start off with 1 cup of sweet rice. I decided to use sweet rice because I had it, but you can use white rice, long grain rice. I would avoid jasmine rice or basmati rice because I feel like that does have a little flavor and it does add flavor to your food, but definitely a long grain rice or a small grain rice or a sushi rice or a sweet rice. All right, now once we've cleaned that rice 3 times, we're gonna drain it really well. We're going to get that 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water, put it in a rice cooker, and we're gonna cook it until it's nice and fluffy. Now while that happens, we're gonna boil 4 cups of water and 1 cinnamon stick, and we're gonna add 2 piloncillo. Piloncillo is sugar cane. If you don't have piloncillo, you can use half a cup of brown sugar, and you're gonna boil it. Once that's all boiled, you're gonna take out your cinnamon sticks. It's okay if you leave some in. Sometimes the cinnamon sticks add extra flavor. And 1 can of lechera. You're gonna mix that lechera really well into the boiling water mixture until it's well dissolved. Make sure you use all that lechera because lechera is white gold. I swear, it's so good. And now that we have our lechera, we're gonna add 1 can of evaporated milk to our lechera water mixture, and we're gonna mix that well until it's well incorporated. Good job, Rosalie, you're doing a great job. The one thing you do have to do is a lot of mixing. All right, now we're gonna add a splash of the Molina brand Mexican vanilla, as much as you'd like. I like a lot of vanilla flavors, so I'm adding a lot of vanilla. And mix it well until well incorporated. Make sure that all the things you're adding to your boiling water mixture are room temperature or warm. Now we're going to we're gonna let that come to a boil, a soft boil. So it's gonna cook on low medium heat for just like 5 minutes until it boils. Pat your olla, let it know that you believe in her. Now we're gonna get 4 cups or 1 liter of warm milk, and we're gonna pour that in. I'm using whole milk. You can use whatever milk you like. Taste it for sweetness. Make sure it's not too sweet or not too sweet. And now that our rice is done cooking, it's nice and cooked, it's nice and sticky. This is the perfect. Now you're gonna add it to your milk mixture that's boiled. And you're gonna add it in small scoops, and you're gonna mix well until all that rice kind of dissolves into the milk mixture. I love arroz con leche. It's one of my favorite beverages in the winter when it's cold and you just want something warm and cozy. This is the best. All right, so you're gonna mix that in. It looks delicious. I already want some. I already finished this whole thing. Well, not me, but my family. We drank it all. It was so good. All right, and now once that's well mixed, we're gonna add another scoop of rice. And that 1 cup of dry rice to 2 cups of water was the perfect amount for this recipe. If you like your recipe to be super thick and less beveragey, then you would just add double the rice and it will absorb all that milk. I find that adding cooked rice to your boiled milk mixture really does prevent from having the arroz con leche where you get the random hard pieces of rice. It's super soft and fluffy. I'm just showing you there we used all that rice, and you're just gonna keep mixing it until it's all melted into each other. You're gonna notice I did leave some little cinnamon sticks in there. Those don't bother me. If they bother you, make sure you get them all out, but I don't mind the occasional cinnamon stick in my cup. All right, so once we have that, we're gonna serve it. It looks so yummy. I let it cool down a little bit. It does thicken as it cools, so right now it looks super liquidy, but you'll notice that once it starts to cool, it'll be a lot thicker consistency, but still liquidy enough to drink it as a beverage. But you will not get 1 hard piece of rice. It's gonna be super soft, super fluffy. There it is, look how thick it got. And it's still milky, so you could still drink it like a porridge. Yum. Arroz con leche is my favorite. Now, grab your favorite heat-proof mug and serve it and enjoy. And make sure to have a spoon nearby because at the end you are gonna have some rice at the bottom, which is great to just eat with a spoon. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you make it for your family.